Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of space technology and satellite manufacturing. Specifically, we're exploring LATConnect 60's ambitious plan to accelerate the growth of its SWIRSAT constellation, with a focus on Western Australia, Malaysia, and the UAE. So buckle up and let's go! First things first, what's the big deal about SWIRSAT? Well, it's all about pushing the boundaries of high-resolution imaging. The SWIR imaging payload is the star of the show, and it's being developed as a standardized, spacecraft bus-agnostic design. This means it can be integrated with different spacecraft buses, or even hosted on other missions, making it incredibly versatile. And get this, it's all happening right here in Western Australia. Now let's talk about LATConnect 60's manufacturing hubs. In Western Australia, they've got a sweet deal with Edith Cowan University, where they're setting up shop for optical payload engineering, cleanroom assembly, calibration, qualification, and spacecraft integration. This facility is the heart of their operation, and it's got the capacity to support very high-resolution SWIR payload builds for over 18 satellites by 2029. That's a lot of satellites, and it's all happening right here in Australia. But wait, there's more! LATConnect 60 is also expanding its manufacturing presence in Malaysia and the UAE. In Malaysia, they've partnered with Pahang Aerospace City and Space City Asia, securing up to 200 acres for satellite bus production, component manufacturing, and potential spacecraft assembly, integration, and testing. This partnership is all about leveraging Malaysia's strengths in semiconductors, electronics, composites, and cost-effective industrial production. And then there's the UAE. In 2025, LATConnect 60 established a wholly owned subsidiary in Abu Dhabi, aligning with the UAE's national space, AI, and advanced manufacturing ambitions. They're working on Gulf-based spacecraft subsystem development and onboard AI processing hardware capabilities for future SWIRSAT satellites. It's all about expanding their reach and scaling their technology internationally, especially in support of Australia's allies in the Gulf region. So what does all this mean for the future of space technology? Well, LATConnect 60 is helping to shape Western Australia's proposed defense manufacturing hub, with a focus on space technology. They're creating a globally scaled constellation, controlled right here in Western Australia, with industrialization support through Malaysia and the UAE. It's a bold move, and it's got the potential to revolutionize the industry. In my opinion, this is a game changer. LATConnect 60 is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in satellite manufacturing and space technology. They're creating a repeatable production capability, expanding their reach, and partnering with innovative organizations around the world. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation. What makes this really interesting is the focus on standardization and versatility. By developing a spacecraft bus-agnostic design, LATConnect 60 is making their technology more accessible and adaptable. This opens up a world of possibilities for future missions and partnerships. One thing that immediately stands out is the importance of international collaboration. LATConnect 60 is leveraging the strengths of different countries, from Malaysia's industrial production capabilities to the UAE's advanced manufacturing ambitions. This global partnership is essential for driving innovation and scaling technology. What many people don't realize is the potential impact on the defense industry. LATConnect 60's focus on onboard AI and data processing has implications for defense-relevant intelligence applications. This technology could revolutionize how we gather and analyze intelligence, making it more efficient and effective. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a huge deal. LATConnect 60 is not just expanding their manufacturing footprint. They're shaping the future of space technology. They're creating a new paradigm for satellite manufacturing, one that's focused on standardization, collaboration, and innovation. In conclusion, LATConnect 60's plan to accelerate the growth of its SWIRSAT constellation is a bold and exciting move. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation, and it's got the potential to revolutionize the industry. So stay tuned because this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.